Oh, hello there, friend. I believe we've never met face to face before. You know me, always busy with my things, like FLMs, Pathetic Plague, all that jazz. Apologies if it's too much, but is it okay if I borrow a few minutes of your spare time? I want to talk to you about something. It's a little serious for me at least. Hmm, thank you, dear friend. Hey, so I want to ask you this question if that's fine. To start the engagement of this conversation. Am I really an independent creator if I only stand when someone else is already standing? Hmm? What makes me say that? Well, it's because I noticed that I've done this thrice or more now. Of course, I'm not going to name drop anyone, but it's going to be obvious just from skimming through my channel history. Kinda ironic, huh? Needed someone to listen just to figure out how to stand on my own. Feeling lonely has its cons, I guess. I mean, I am grateful that I do these things for them, but sometimes I think that I just use them for my own gain. Sure, I've given my best efforts for them rather than low effort attention grabs, but if I keep relying on them forever, people will start to think that I'm too dependent. Or worse, maybe they'll be right. It's not something I should do. I gotta stand on my own 2 feet at some point in my life. I mean, look at me, almost going to college because I just graduated from senior high school. It must have been too much to process. I apologize. Hmm, I see. Yeah. Well, thank you for your opinion. I genuinely appreciate it. Oh? Ah. Hmm. Yeah, I get you. I get you. You know, sometimes I wish I could get more motivation to create things on my own. Look at my recent animation meme. You know, baby, what you do, what you do. Sorry. Well, even if it had a few views, I still felt like it was my own doing. I did it on my own without anyone to lean on to shine for me. You know, I I actually had a few OCs and planning to do a short animation, but I'm not just finding the right time. That oh, makes sense actually. Dang. Why did I think of that? Not like I should. I'm all open for criticism. It's just rare for me. I mean, I act all confident, right? Like I've got everything figured out, but yeah, not really. Not yet at least. Oh, I actually never thought of that before. Whoa. I'll make sure to take note of that. Thank you, friend. Oh, few minutes is up. Oh boy. I really hope I could talk to you more about this, but I I really appreciate you for letting me borrow your spare time to talk about the song. Again, thank you, friend. I genuinely appreciate that. Always keep your advice in mind, okay? I'll see you around, but next time you want to talk to me, you know where to find me. Just in here. Who knows? Maybe you and I one day will get to show the world what we're capable of. but when the time is right, definitely. Thank you. I'll see you around.